Let us learn golden rules of healthy eating. We have learned what is whole plant-based diet. There are some finer rules. If followed, they help us improve the nutritional value of the food, and also they help us in better absorption of nutrients. First golden rule is to consume fruits empty stomach. Fruits should not be mixed with any other food because fruits have less digestion time. Mixing fruits with cooked food result in less absorption of nutrients and also digestion issues. Ideally, we can consume fruits first thing in the morning when we are empty stomach, or in the evening 3-4 hours after our cooked lunch when we can again go empty stomach. Consuming fruits empty stomach ensures optimum nutrition absorption and also no toll on digestion. It's a good idea not to mix watery fruits with pulpy fruits because watery fruits and pulpy fruits vary a lot in their digestion time, which can again cause some digestion issues. So melons, family fruits like watermelons, muskmelons, oranges should be consumed standalone, and other pulpy fruits like bananas, chikus, mangoes should be consumed separately. The second golden rule is drink your solids and eat your liquids. That means eat mindfully. We need to chew our food enough so that solid food becomes liquid by mixing the saliva with the food, and when we are consuming liquids, say smoothies or juices, we cannot still skip the step of chewing food, so that liquid we are going to rotate in our mouth so saliva gets mixed, and only then we are going to gulp it down. Chewing the food thoroughly ensures that saliva acts on the enzymes present in the live food and digestion of the starches start in the mouth itself. So our stomach is not loaded with that extra undigested food and we feel much more energetic. So it's a good idea to educate our children about mindful eating, to keep them away from all the distractions while they are eating food like TV or reading storybooks, and tell them or teach them to focus on chewing thoroughly. The next golden rule is variety is the key. When we follow whole foods plant-based diet, in order to ensure that we are covering all the nutrients, we need to make sure that we are adding variety in every food group. For example, grains, we can go for multiple grains in our kids' diet, and do not stick to only rice or wheat. We can add different types of millets. When we are adding variety to dals or legumes, we can use different types of chickpeas, different types of chana, moong, moth, and all the different legumes in their diet. Similarly, we need to make sure that they are consuming variety of fruits. So general rule is to add rainbow colors in their plate. For example, rainbow colors in fruits, that means every day we can assign a different color fruit. Say Monday banana, Tuesday papaya, third day watermelon, etc. Same goes true with the vegetables. So instead of sticking to their favorite vegetables every day, if we can add variety to the salads they are consuming, it's going to make sure that all the nutrition requirement is taken care of. And the last golden rule is to stick to seasonal and local produce. Seasonal and local produce taste much better than its counterparts. Seasonal and local produce is packed with nutrition because it is grown in the optimum condition of soil and weather. And also this food is much cheaper than its counterpart. It's a good idea to avoid imported fruits and vegetables. For example, gala apples or apples from New Zealand, or consuming frozen mangoes in the winter season. Choosing seasonal and local produce ensures that we are consuming food in its most natural form and maximum nutrition we are going to get through such foods.